Second grade Triad students visit Susan Schambach's science lab once a week for hands-on, inquiry-based experiments. While studying their unit on meteorology last week, students were taught that the sky is blue because sunlight is scattered by dust particles in the atmosphere, and since the wavelength of blue light scatters the most, it shows up to our eyes and the sky appears blue. To help students better understand this concept, Susan shined a flashlight on a beaker of water and added a small amount of milk, which acts like the atmosphere and scatters the light, making the beaker glow blue. Watch as Susan adds more milk to make the glow change to yellow and orange, just like sunrise and sunset.
Then the blue is going to move around so much that we're going to get to see some other colors. What colors do we see at sunrise and sunset? Mary Kay. Red and yellow.
Sometimes pink.
You ready?
Ooh, yellow!
When the sun is setting, it's coming through a lot more of the atmosphere, a lot more dust, and so it lets the red and the yellow start to show
When is
through.
it going to turn black?
Well, I don't know if we have enough milk to get it to turn black.
Following the meteorology unit, the students began a unit on ocean currents. Students have been learning about wind-driven currents, especially how they control the Gulf Stream. To better illustrate this occurrence, Susan had students decorate drift bottles and seal them with a message. The drift bottles will be taken to the coast over spring break, and if we're lucky, some may be found and the students can track the distance the bottles travel.
As second graders at Summit School in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, we're studying oceans. We're very interested in ocean currents and the fact that the Gulf Stream runs very close to our state.